Namaste, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to CryptoXperts, the channel where we unravel the mysteries of the digital frontier. I'm Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of blockchain and cryptocurrency, and I am thrilled to have you all here today. To those who have already subscribed, thank you for joining our journey. And to those who haven't, well, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button because you're about to witness something extraordinary. Are you a beginner in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and don't know where to start? Well, worry no more. Here at CryptoXperts, we offer a helping hand to those who are lost in the vast ocean that is cryptocurrency. Our videos are designed in a way that simplifies cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, making it easy for beginners to understand the concepts. We offer insights on industry trends, regulations, investment tips, and more. So what can you expect from our treasure trove of videos? Let me give you a sneak peek into some of the gems we've prepared for you. First up, we've got When Did Cryptocurrency Start? A fascinating dive into the origins of this digital revolution. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. Looking for the video? Well, you better start using your super spy skills and spot that elusive I button. Next, join us on a thrilling ride as we explore why cryptocurrency is the future. Get ready for some mind-expanding insights and a few surprises along the way. The video is hiding in plain sight. Just follow the gaze of the mischievous I button. Hold on to your hats, because in demystifying cryptocurrency regulations worldwide, we'll unravel the intricate web of regulations across the globe. It's like navigating a maze of rules and loopholes. Can you crack the code and locate the hidden gem? Seek out the mischievous I button for a dose of video goodness. Seeking some investment wisdom? We've got you covered with top 10 cryptocurrency investment tips for beginners. Get ready to become a savvy investor and ride those crypto waves like a pro. It's like playing hide and seek, but with pixels. Spot the sneaky I button and unlock the treasure trove of videos. Now let's talk taxes, my friends. Join us in cryptocurrency taxation in India. What you need to know. We'll decode the tax mysteries and ensure you sail smoothly through the choppy tax waters. Feeling like a detective on a mission? Your target is the sly I button. Find it and reveal the captivating video within. The video titled, Discover Ethereum, Revolutionary Cryptocurrency for the Global Market, introduces viewers to a new cryptocurrency called Ethereum. The video highlights the various features of the cryptocurrency like its security, speed, and low transaction fees. It also emphasizes the team behind Ethereum and how they are working towards making it a global currency. To learn more about Ethereum and its innovative features, viewers are encouraged to contact CryptoXperts. Lost in a sea of content? Fear not. Just keep an eye out for that magical button, and you'll discover the video wonderland last, but not least. Fasten your seatbelts for a glimpse into the future of blockchain technology beyond cryptocurrencies. We're talking about the mind-boggling innovations and endless possibilities that will reshape industries and revolutionize the way we live and interact. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey into uncharted territories of technological advancement. Ready for a game of visual hide-and-seek? Search high and low for the clever I button to unveil the captivating video awaiting you. So, my dear crypto explorers, buckle up and join us on this thrilling adventure. With our guidance, a sprinkle of humor, and a touch of wonder, you'll unlock the secrets of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology like never before. Remember, we're here to learn, grow, and laugh together as we explore this ever-evolving digital landscape. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the CryptoXperts love with fellow adventurers like you. Until next time, my friends, keep exploring, keep expanding your knowledge, and keep being the incredible crypto experts that you are. See you in the next exciting episode.